In this video, we will look at how to archive tests and compare the results to those run on different revisions of the logic. First, we will test this cause and effect of an ESD system and create an archive for the results. To do this, first select SciEmulate and pick the SciEmulate controller and load the output configuration for the cause and effect module. Select the appropriate version number for the output configuration and press play. Select the build option and build the test case in the test command window and press play. Now create an archive for the recorded test results. Back in the cause and effect area, make changes in the logic by removing connections for an output tag. In the output configuration section, select the appropriate output configuration and increase the version number and build it. Now the changes in the logic made have been recorded. Now, in the SciEmulator, load the new version of the output configuration. Select the build option and build the test case in the test command window and press play. Create the new archive with the latest test results. Now, in the archive selection, select Compare Archive Test Results. Select the two archives to be compared and press Load and Compare. You can see that the removed output tags have been taken out from each instance, and the change is spotted.